County in northwestern New Jersey, northeastern Northampton County in eastern Pennsylvania, until 6 p.m. At 5:14 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near East Bangor, or 14 miles north of Easton, moving east at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor damage to vehicles is possible. Wind damage to roofs, siding, trees, and power lines is possible. Locations impacted include Hackettstown, Washington, Bangor, High Bridge, Stanhope, Big Calm, Belvedere, Oxford, Hope, Glen Gardner, Hampton, Lebanon, East Bangor, Collie, Farm, Delaware Water Gap, Brass Castle, Long Valley, Great Meadows, Vienna, Alamucci, Panther Valley, and Pleasant Valley. This includes the following highways: Interstate 78 in New Jersey between mile markers 21 and 23. Interstate 80 in New Jersey between mile markers 2 and 26. Protecting yourself from immediate threats to life and safety shall take priority. Whenever possible, as long as it does not cause greater harm, all COVID-19 protective action guidance should be followed. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6 p.m. for the following counties in New Jersey: Hunterdon, Morris and Warren, and Northampton, Pennsylvania.